down.
I don't want to shoot him.
I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. Tell me what I love there. Yes!
Bonito, bonito. Ay, no.
Oh, okay. I just shot him through the.
Oh, Nutty! No, dude, that's so bad. Oh, no. No, you did it, you son of a bitch. Oh, I actually got off. Oh, I'm a legend.
Still down there?
Oh, yeah.
On me?
Let him peek.
Chilling down there. Ooh.
Boom!
There it is.
Boom! Punch him right in the face!
4 people on you.
Help! Help! Help!
Pop that medi, dude. Pop that medi, dude.
No way. I don't know where. I can't even see this guy.
No fucking way, dude.
You're
No
a god.
fucking way! T5! The fuck out of here with that, dude!
Fuck him,
that
dude.
was such a sick.
What the hell?
Wait, did my ramp get you?
Maybe. Get this thing out of here. Huh?
Oh, man.
Alright, dude. Alright. Alright. Big lesson right now. Everyone's gonna be like, oh, ninja, haha. Big lesson right now. I have been getting so lazy with my building.
Ja pierdzielę, nie? Czemu mi nie zbudowało?
The minis for the submachine gun.
What is that?
You
DK.
give me everything.
What happened?
Because
Look at
it's
the
not
clock
just,
tower.
buddy.
Bro,
Here, I gave you the sub, I gave you the sub, I gave you the sub.
Thank you. I'm gonna go.
That's not even the sub I opened. I opened up the better one.
Oh my god,
They're all dead?
out of here,
You killed them all?
I'll remember that. I'll remember that.
Wait, you just killed everyone up there? What?
What were those guys
bro.
doing? I just stuck all 3 of them.
Oh yeah, jump at me, boys. Oh my, I'm freaking triggered.
Somebody sniped him! I'm quitting! Somebody...
I'm tricked. Oh my god, do it, do it, do it.
Ninja!
Ow, he sniped me. I'm bracing.
I'm doing it! Ooh! Okay, I missed. Oh, it's a bad time. I miscalculated.
I'm no longer Superman.
I'm dead. Knocked myself. 1 hit to fudge. He forgot how low my health was. He's running away from me. He's fighting you. Santa, man. 1 good headshot will clean him up. Building above you.
Oh my god, is this my stair?
It's my fault.
Okay, good. GG.
Checking out the leaked skins. I don't wanna spoil it. If you guys wanna look at the leaked skins, just Google it. Or check them out on Fortnite. Come on, man. They gotta do a better job, man. Like, I'm so sick of these getting leaked. Unless they're doing it on purpose.
Oh, mein erster Kill! Und dann so einer! Ja! Ja!
Let's go, dude. First game of the day, and it's with the new burst rifle, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, Doc, I'm not with you at all. I'll hit the shot too.
Oh, what is that?
Oh my god, they're really cute.
Leave the move. They're shooting each other.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yep, they are. They both are. I'm gonna try to launch them both out. All right. Okay, well that guy. This guy's so new. He just jumped off. He's so weak. Oh.
Mizzle, go the fuck away.
Guys, they're inside. They're inside,
The building up on the hill. Inside my boat.
got him?
She's inside.
Oh my god, it was the biggest hard escape of my life. Just saying.
I'm gonna thirst this kill.
You know what? I got this. Oh my god!
Interesting.
I'll be right next to you.
Guys! Oh! Chat, shut up.
Saw it. Traps, dude. Traps.
I saw Wish Body Ninja the other day. Literally would have gotten a boost if Ninja didn't get the streamer mode on. Yeah, I probably would have had 600-700 viewers a day if Ninja wasn't being a selfish person. But, you know, what can you do?
Mais 2 contre 1 quoi, petit gun.
Oh ouais. Comme par hasard, il me donne des scars dans les coffres quand je bug.
Wow!
Ça va? Non mais tranquille toi.
Oh! Fuck!
Fuck was?